it's time for me to say goodbye to one of my vehicles. I've had this for I think 4-5 years, around that sort of time, and while I've had it, it's just been a pleasure and I've had a load of fun driving her around. So let me show you my 1965 Ford F100. I bought her from a hot rodder. Now, she's been fitted with a 5-speed manual transmission out of a transit van, so still Ford, and this works really well. She's still got her original straight 6 and it runs like an absolute sewing machine. Let me show you. Now, we did rebuild the top end of this engine. The head was reconditioned, all the valve seats recut and skimmed and sorted out all the valve trains. So the only other engine modification that I've done is one day the distributor just died, so it's got a HEI distributor, and as you can see, it's a nice clean truck, not rusty. As you can see, she's lovely and responsive. As you saw from under the bonnet's red. Now the reason for that is when I bought this, it was painted red, but I don't think it really suited it. I didn't like the look of it. So this has had rusty paint on it. This is not bare metal. This isn't rust. It's not a rusty rotten truck. It's actually rusty paint. We made a video of us painting it in this rusty paint, which if you click somewhere around here, you'll be able to see that. So you may wonder who this truck would really suit. Now, this truck isn't perfect. It needs some TLC, but it's a really good solid base. If you have a look underneath, this is what you'll see. Solid. This is a really good base truck to start from if you wanted to make it something pretty. So if you wanted a rolling restoration, this is a good truck for you, but also if you just want to enjoy it as it is. If you want to see what it's like being driven around, there's also another video. You can click a link there and you'll be able to see it being driven about. So that's the truck, 1965 Ford F100. So if you're interested in buying this truck, then contact me and maybe you can drive it away and enjoying it tomorrow.